This is Shantanu, and I wish you a very good day and welcome you to the show In the Limelight, powered by Oscar Motion Pictures. Here we're going to give you insights about famous personalities in our campus. We're going to tell you about their personal lives, their professional lives, and how they deal with everything. We're going to have a chat with them. So, the first person that we call to our show will be a very charming, very beautiful lady. She's an inspiration to so many models, so many people in campus. And she's capable of so much more than she has already achieved. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Simran Deol.
Hello, Shantanu.
Hi Simran, how are you?
I am good. Thank you so much for having me here.
Thank you Simran, thank you for coming. So, how do you feel in this college? It's been 3.5 years.
Yes.
And how have your experiences been?
Feeling good and very much excited now. Youth 5 is upcoming.
Okay.
And this is my last year. Very much excited.
And do you see a change in yourself from the first year
Totally.
to the third year?
Totally. It's like more than me, people do not recognize me how I used to look before, and now I've transformed like way too much. But then it's good. I feel good. I feel more confident.
To the viewers, Simran is Youth Vibe Miss Persona 2015 and she's going to be vying for Campus Princess 2016. So we're going to ask Simran on how she deals with so much pressure.
I think I'm very much determined. I love doing whatever I do, even in academics or co-curricular. So I think this passion of just doing everything with perfection is what, like, you know, it makes me move.
Okay.
I like it, yeah.
That's nice. And a trick question for you. Which was more difficult, Youth Vibe Miss Persona 2015 or Campus Princess?
Campus Princess is something I am more determined of, and I think it will be a good competition. But then Persona, Youth 5 Persona is a very good thing for me. I mean, I'm so nostalgic about it. I mean, that was my first event I did. I did a lot of events after that. Yeah, Miss Persona. And I think I did a lot of events after that. Miss I Guess and Chitkara University event and fest, lot of fest. But that was the initial part. I started with Mr. and Miss Youth 5.
Okay, and you have a lot of support and backing, which is what you actually
Family,
need.
a lot. Yes, my friends, constant support.
That's actually needed a lot.
A lot in this kind of thing, yes.
And we're going to have a surprise for you in this show today.
Uh-huh.
We're going to call someone else to the show,
Okay.
which you probably already know. I'm sure you already know. So, he's very classy.
Uh-huh.
He speaks very, very well, and he's known for that. He is AIU Nationals winner from our college.
Got it.
He's classy, he's everything you need from a speaker. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Jatin Saini.
Well, hello Shantanu.
Hi Jatin, how are you?
I'm good. Hi Simran, how are you? Well, nice to have you here, Shantanu.
Nice to have you here, Jatin. How's your journey been?
Well, nice. I had to walk.
So the journey in campus, it's been 4 years since you've been in this campus.
Yes, it has been.
And how does it feel? Do you see a change in yourself from the first year? Or were you always energetic?
Well, no, you obviously transform with time, as Simran already said. So yes, I've transformed and I'm happy with the transformation.
And what do you owe your success to? All of your success to?
To my friends, of course.
All of it.
Yes, all of it.
And how passionate about literary are you?
Well, really, yes. I'm more passionate about performing.
Okay, and you're in your MBA right now?
I am, first year.
Do you plan on pursuing it as a career or do you plan on shifting to something related to literary or something?
Like I said, I'm more about performing. I've always loved the corporate life, and so I want to go over there and, you know, even in corporate, you present. Presentation is the part where you woo them and you show them the tricks and also the business aspects of it. So I'm more interested in that side. And I'm also shifting from literary to business plans and business strategies. I hope it works out.
Absolutely, I think it's the best of luck, Jatin.
Thank you.
And starting with Simran, what has your motivation been to get up every day, work harder for the next show?
That's a good one.
My motivation. Okay, there are few inspiration in this field if you're talking about like modeling.
Yeah.
I love Gigi Hadid. I mean, she
Okay.
is just 21, so inspirational, so good, and I love her. The hard work she does for every fucking thing. I mean, I cannot just explain. I mean, Victoria's Secret show, it is amazing how she performed, and I think she's my only inspiration, I would say.
And what is your take on the acid attack ramp walker that just...
Reshma Qureshi,
Yes.
inspirational. She was so confident.
Beautiful.
Beautiful, she's beautiful. New York Fashion Week is something. I think everyone should just watch it. Yeah, it's amazing.
Jatin, who is your biggest motivator? Who do you look up to in speakers?
I look up to Piyush.
Okay, and Do you see yourself at par with him, or do you see him better than you?
He is better than me. Undoubtedly, any day.
Honest.
No, it's the truth. I'll tell you why.
Mhm.
Because he's the person, I've worked with him, I've worked with a lot of other speakers as well. But then I have to take the lead in that case. In case of Piyush, I am the subordinate, and he's the
Okay.
superior one. And it's wonderful working with him. And yes,
Debate is always a team game,
it's always a deal. Unless it's turncoat. So,
and you're the best at that.
well, according to me, he is.
Oh, that's great. That's great. And who is your celebrity icon that you actually look up to? Something who has a worldview, someone who has a worldview.
Well, I look at Dr. Shashi Tharoor a lot.
Okay.
I do like his opinion and the way he presents. I loved when he came up and he told the Britishers that you do owe reparations to us for what damage you did to India for 200 years. Well, that's one aspect of it. Otherwise, I look up to a lot of speakers. Yes, I do.
Okay. If I asked you to pick between Shashi Tharoor and Chetan Bhagat,
Come on.
Chetan Bhagat is a speaker, right? He speaks as well.
Well, he's there
He's-
somewhere. Oh, obviously not Chetan Bhagat. The kind of language that Chetan Bhagat uses is the only thing I like about it.
Separating
Because
his writings from his
anyone
speaking.
can, even when he speaks, he uses the language which is very convincing because you can relate to it.
Okay.
Shashi Tharoor is actually quite the opposite.
Mhm.
He's more of a speaker who uses, because he's used to it,
Yeah.
and the language is very difficult.
Very diplomatic.
Well, he's done a degree in diplomacy, you can
Yeah.
understand where the diplomatic, whatever comes from.
And Simran, same question for you. I'll ask you to pick between David Beckham and Victoria. Which one is a better model?
Victoria.
Victoria.
Yeah, I believe Victoria because I think she's the woman behind David Beckham, right? So I think she is the one.
Okay. So viewers, before we actually keep talking about what we're saying, we're gonna take a short break and move on to social topics next.
फिर क्या सोचा, एक ही यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन करते हैं ना।
नहीं यार, जॉब तो यहाँ से भी पढ़कर मिल जाएगी।
बड़ा सोच यार।
सपने अपने मन के सुने, अपने अपने राहें चुने, एक ही रंग के दो धागे अलग अलग ढंग में बुने, अलग अलग
दलाई लामा।
रंग में, अलग अलग ढंग में।
Mr. Kumar, this way please.
गुड।
एक ही रंग के धागे।
फिर क्या सोचा?
अब से साथ साथ, बॉस।
Think big. Lovely Professional University.
Welcome back. We're in the limelight with Simran and Jatin. So now we're going to talk about social issues. So Jatin, Simran, what are your views on the Pakistani artist band that India has put up?
We've already discussed a lot about
A
it,
lot about it.
but then
I personally believe that it's absolutely correct. Any inflow of cash into Pakistan from India should be cut down so that we do not support their economy. You know, Pakistan, what is Pakistan, I'll tell you. In India, a state has an army. In Pakistan, the army has a state. And Pakistan is the only country in the world that spends the most amount of its GDP goes into military. And because of that, when these people, these artists who come to India, perform here, whose families are back there in Pakistan, they get the money from us. They take it back to Pakistan. They pay taxes to the government. Government is the civil government which pays it to the military because military is major there, and military gives it to the terrorists or the terror groups or jihadis, which for that matter. So we're literally paying for our own deaths of our own soldiers. So let's cut them out and chop them off.
Because I think that if you take Pakistan, I would like to take the United States into worldview. People say that the United States is the ISIS. People say the United States is Bin Laden.
They
So-
planted him. That's true.
Yeah, so when US artists come into India, when they act, Pierce Brosnan did the Pan Bahar thing.
Yes.
So isn't he also doing the same thing? He's paying taxes to US government. US government is putting it to CIA, because CIA is putting it to Bin Laden. What is
Yes.
the difference between Pakistan and the US then?
Well, you have to understand one thing, that here Pakistan is the one who is directly getting into the borders of India. So let's cut the thing that is direct. We'll see about the later.
and we cannot have like bad connection with everyone.
That's
you know.
correct.
we'll be in trouble then.
Because US is a superpower, we obviously can't
Yeah.
do
Well,
much
I
about
think
it.
that's a very valid point. And when you say that US is a superpower, well, 30 years ago, if you'd say that US is a superpower, yes. Because the tallest building was in the United States of America, the best economy was in the United States of America, and they were producing everything and manufacturing everything. But if you look today, today is the time when, well, yes. And the best building that you would look out, it's in Dubai. It's not in
Yeah.
USA anymore. And which did come across and over the building that was in Paris. And if you go forward, whichever way. Now the strongest economy of a country is Singapore. It's not United States of America. So you'd look around and you'd see that United States of America is no more the superpower.
Okay.
So doesn't matter. But Simran is absolutely correct, and I go with you. We cannot have any bad relation with people who are having veto power in the United Nations. So that's it.
And who do you support in the presidential elections in the United States? Trump, Hillary? Big
How
Boss?
about you? Who do we not support?
Hillary.
They're actually both bad choices. We have to pick the better bad choice.
Well, the better bad choice, I think Simran is right. It
Yeah,
will be Hillary.
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 Yeah.
Why not Trump?
Well, Trump did not come prepared in his first debate.
No, but then you can't base elections only on their presidential debates, right? They had good rallies, they had a lot of stuff. As
Yeah,
well.
Trump had a very valid point when he said, I'm going to throw all the Mexicans out, I'm going to build a wall.
Yeah.
When he said that I'm going to throw the Muslims out of the country, or when I'm going to send Indians back.
But then
So-
Hillary also has been trying to get into the office since 2000.
Yes, she is.
Trying to overrun her own husband.
Well, she failed miserably because there's a reason, and the reason is that she had good competition. This time, like
This
you
time
said,
she is like completely planned with her stuff. She's most
There is
strategic.
more planning.
Yeah, I think.
And there are so many fashion weeks as well in India, Pakistan, all of these places. Do you
Now,
think,
yeah, it's just the latest one, Amazon Fashion Week. It is going on still.
and do you think like international celebrities and international models will be affected by these things, or they won't?
I don't think so.
They won't be.
I don't think so. We don't have like that large scale of our, fashion weeks. We need to grow more to be at that level.
Okay. And one last, Narendra Modi. Do you think he is the best Prime Minister India has?
I support. I don't know why. I have this good point. I support.
well, I understand why, but I'd say that no, Atal Bihari Vajpayee would be the better one that we've had.
And don't you think that Sonia Gandhi is one of the greatest leaders who is behind the wheel?
Well, one of the greatest leaders,
It does not go behind the wheel.
yeah, they don't. And
I personally support Narendra Modi. I think we should give him time. अच्छे दिन आएंगे मुझे लग रहा है आएंगे तो I think we should just give him time and he will bring
The
something
country
good.
is poured down on him.
Yeah, if you
That's
see
why-
example of Gujarat, he's bring a lot of change in Gujarat.
Well, if I have to talk about those good things, I'll tell you about this rally Narendra Modi was in. So there was this rally he was addressing, and it was when he was a presidential candidate. He was not the prime minister, and there was a blast that happened in that rally, and
Yes.
that guy was so smart. He did not stop. He kept on speaking and speaking, and no one even got to know that there was a blast.
Right.
He could have taken advantage that my opponents, maybe Congress or Aam Aadmi, is trying to do this,
He did.
or for BSP for that matter, but he didn't. And well, that's nice. That's a good leader. But I don't see that leader anymore since he's become the prime minister of the country. So that's pretty disappointing for me.
Do you support the clean shit that he's gotten from the Supreme Court based on the Gujarat riots?
I don't know, when you are in a goodwill of a person, I think I totally support him for everything you do. Like, yeah, I believe that this is good.
Because the Supreme Court giving him a clean shit is just like we're giving you a chance, you can do better.
Yeah.
The same way Rahul Gandhi is in for National Herald. If he was in power, that if the Supreme Court cleared his National Herald, he would have been in favor for that. People would have said, "Ek galti hai, chodo."
Well, you have to understand one thing. It's not more of that we support it or not. It's more of do we approve of it? Do we
Yeah,
accept it?
right.
So we accept the Supreme Court because that's how the system goes.
You have to.
The
We
judiciary
cannot
works
do
like
anything
that.
else
You
than
can't do
that.
anything.
The day you get the proof, you and I will go they can file a case or whatever.
But still, they would care.
Yeah, they won't care. You're
Yeah,
right.
exactly.
Because the judgment is out, and it's very hard to reopen such a case. And if he's doing good work, like you're happy with the work that Narendra Modi is doing, it's okay. It's good.
Good. And last question, one word answer. Narendra Modi, Barack Obama. Better leader.
Obama.
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 Yes.
He's a wonderful
He's a
diplomat.
wonderful
Absolutely.
person.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this was our social issues
Barack
round.
Obama was
Next, we're
pretty
gonna move
pretty-
on to the rapid fire. Now we're gonna take a break.
Yeah, with Michelle.
फिर क्या सोचा एक ही यूनिवर्सिटी ज्वाइन करते हैं ना
नहीं यार, जॉब तो यहाँ से भी पढ़कर मिल जाएगी।
बड़ा सोच यार
सपने अपने मन के सुने अपनी अपनी राहें चुने एक ही रंग के दो धागे अलग अलग ढंग में बुने अलग अलग
दलाई लामा।
रंग में अलग अलग ढंग में
Mr. Kumar, this way please.
गुड।
एक ही रंग के धागे
फिर क्या सोचा?
अब से साथ साथ बॉस।
Think big. Lovely Professional University.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Limelight with Jatin and Simran. Today we're going to ask them a little about their personal lives before we actually move on to the rapid fire. So Jatin, starting with you. When you first came into college as a fresher, when you actually went into the Division of Student Affairs, the first department you joined was?
I joined DYC, which
Department
was
of Youth
actually lovely youth capital
Yeah,
at that
lovely
time.
Youth Capital.
Okay.
It changed to DYC now. It's
Okay.
Department of
Youth
Youth Capital now.
And recently you were with the Department of Cultural Affairs
Yes.
and involved in their Fest Spectra.
Yes.
So there was a lot of pressure on you as an AIU winner to perform there.
Yes.
What do you have to say about that?
Well, pressure is always there in any performance. I went on stage for AIU. There was pressure for Youth Why there was pressure. There was Jamia, there was pressure. Despite winning all of them, it doesn't matter. The pressure is always there. The pressure is to perform. It's not for winning or losing or for that matter. I perform for myself and I love it.
Okay, and which one of the departments do you think conducts the best festivals in college?
Well, the best festival I personally feel is Spectra. It's hard to win. But I think the biggest
Hard
would be
to win.
Youth Why.
Okay, and
Because I'll also say that it's hard to manage Youth Why.
Yeah,
It's really big.
that's right.
Spectra is very well managed that I see the comparison. So that makes it the
It's
best.
National Open Fest.
Yeah.
yeah, venues
Global
also.
Open.
Global Open
Yeah.
Fest.
Spectra has less venues also. Youth Why has too many.
A lot of
venues.
venues and a lot of events going on.
Yes.
110.
Spectra has got
I think
31
every
events.
stage is occupied with youth vibe.
Yeah,
It
every-
is amazing. 5 days of complete.
And I'm telling you, my God, they pull off these 31 events in 2 days along with the prize distribution ceremony. Hard work.
And what if you lost Spectra, Jatin?
What if I
would
lost
your
Spectra?
reaction be?
Well, I've lost Spectra. It's not a big deal.
No,
for me.
like now, as an AIU winner.
Well, a lot of people would have questioned that I deserve to win AIU or not, or maybe they would have won over me. So that's there.
People
And
keep talking.
People keep talking and I like it. I like it. Whenever they talk bad about me, I think it's a very positive motivator for me.
Absolutely.
Because you have to prove them. But then, just 5 minutes before I have to perform, I feel like I have to perform it for myself and I have to enjoy. So then the parameters of judgment, they go down for me and performance for the public rises. And then I perform.
He just shakes it off. It's like haters gotta hate.
That's actually
Let
the
me
best
shake
way
it
to
out.
do it. And see, now you're the goodwill promoter of United Nations Youth Community in our college.
Yes.
And earlier you were in lovely Youth Capital. And
Way back. It goes, I think in 2012, 13 I was a member.
okay, what could I ask you what happened? Why did you leave it?
Well, I believe that you should see, I'm a person who has a personality, right?
Right.
I'm loud.
Hmm.
So I want a way to present my views. But when my views are sugar-coated by lies, I do not like that. I'll be very blunt. See, organization is wonderful. Students working there are brilliant. And they're doing humongous work. I mean, the largest festival in the
Youth Vibe,
university is
right.
Youth Vibe and they're doing it.
We
And-
appreciate youth vibe a lot.
we do, it's pretty good. But see, you can never have a blind leader for that matter. You cannot go on to be, you cannot go, well yes, for example, people who are following me in that organization, they cannot follow me because I don't know who I am following. And if I am myself blind, it's useless to direct them. It's huge
Yeah.
responsibility and that's why I had to get on the back foot and leave the organization. And also, it was too much of workload, too much of
Academics,
responsibility.
everything, handling everything.
Not just academics, but also the work that was given to me by Youth Fight for sponsorship and then for anchoring and all. Too much pressure. I actually wanted to work on my personality and my communication more. And then I turned out to doing Youth Fight as a competitor and it worked out okay for me.
Okay. And last question for you. It'll be a one-word answer. What would you prefer, blind leader or no leader?
No leader.
No leader.
I like to lead. Myself.
But if you take it in retrospect of what I just asked you.
Well, you have to understand, a leader is nothing without the followers. So, in the
followers.
retrospect that you asked me, there are also no followers. There's one person, that is me, who's making the decision. So this argument fails then and there.
Leader is also a follower to somebody. So.
That is true. Second.
And moving to Simran, a lot of questions for you.
I want to know this.
The first one would be, see, you've come, it's been a long time since you've been in this college, and people have tried to put you down a lot, and you've come up, you won Youth Vibe Miss Persona. What do you have to say about the contenders that were with you, who ranked second, third? Maybe they were very angry, maybe they questioned the judgment. What do you have to say about that?
But somewhere down they came back and said that you were deserving enough to win. So that was good for me. Second, I think the runner-up was Martina, and she was very good at her part.
Okay.
But then I think I deserve to win. I will take all the credits by myself. I will not say that I was. I wouldn't be that modest to say, "Ki ha, it was okay," but I'll be saying that yes.
Not
that
to
time,
forget, it was her first event.
Yeah,
was
it
her
was my
first
first, very first event I did.
Chances are more that people will talk.
But I think maybe I was very fresh enough for them to see. So that was, yeah.
And Jatin, you've also anchored, she's also anchored with a lot of people. And Simran, which one of the co-anchors would you pick as one of the best ones you've worked with?
Shobit is very bright, very enthusiastic, energetic. I would say Shobit is a very good co-anchor.
Okay, and
But then sometimes you have to calm him down a bit.
calming him down, that brings me to a question. There was recently this graduating ceremony in which he portrayed models on IIN pass-outs in a very
He's the admin of the
different...
page.
Yeah.
Yes.
He's one of the admins.
I didn't like that concept.
Okay.
I'll be very frank, I'll be very blunt enough to say that I didn't like that concept.
Mhm.
You cannot just, for fun basis it's quite good,
Yeah.
but then I didn't like it because few of the models complained me as well, like how can someone do like that?
It
And there was no
taken
picture of
too
mine.
far. It was
taken too far.
But then he's not the only one of the admins of the page, right? So you can't pin all of it.
We are
on
not pinning it on him, but when we had this discussion, we were saying objectification of women is incorrect.
Actually,
Exactly.
Not in this time.
Right, right. And Shobit also has an issue with you. The Vishnu, you were anchoring the freshman induction. It's actually with the Department of Cultural
Shobit
Affairs.
actually plays a bit of part in everyone's life.
Yeah,
It's not
actually-
just us.
I and Shobit never had an issue.
Yeah.
I have had conversations with him. I think he is wonderful.
Mhm.
And
Do you think it was right to portray the department in such a way as the allegations on him say?
well, I think Shobit, well, you have to understand one thing. If Shobit was only aiming at Department of Cultural Affairs,
right.
then we can say that yes, he's incorrect. But he was
He
not.
was not.
He did it for annual that we just discussed right now,
Yeah.
which we think is morally incorrect.
Yeah.
Then he also aims a few things on Youth 5 in a very, yes, in a very juvenile way. And humor is only good when it's taken in good spirit,
Good
but this time it backfired.
Yeah.
So I think that's why he
A
had to
lot
pay
of
the
time it
consequences.
backfired actually. A lot of time.
But I think we never have the time to give statements ever that people are asking us. They just assume, like you just assume that
Actually,
Shobit
it
had an
happens
issue.
a lot. College 40,000
He's very
people,
nice.
how many will you go
He's a
ask?
good company, but
And last question to the both of you before we move on to the rapid fire round. How much the Youth Vibe is promoting a lot, like Youth Vibe is going live these days. They're actually doing a lot of hard work. How much of a success do you think it will be over the previous time?
This time a lot new steps are taken, like a lot. Like if you see promotions basically, live streaming and ambassadors and a
Yeah.
lot of things is there. So I think this time it will be more of the participants maybe.
that
This
is
promotion is way too much this time.
Do you miss the Department of Youth Capital sometimes?
well, I'll say it's very unfortunate, but I never have had missed it. Because the people I used to work with, they all left, and you always miss the company of the people,
Yeah,
not
the
the
department, not the
organization.
department.
But I'm still in touch with them. And to answer to your question of whether Youth Vibe will be bigger, well, yes, a lot of people, because the promotion is good.
Yeah, promotion
But
is
I
really
didn't
good.
see any cash coming in this time because I am from management, so I would check on to how many sponsors are coming, they're giving
That's
cash
why
or
we have a lot of
cutting.
sponsors this time.
Well, actually, I didn't see any direct cash flow.
Yeah.
That's what I talk about. Because I like money more than I like the gifts that you'd give me, which I don't want. But then it's nice. And every year, the way Youth Vibe is growing in terms of students, and it's a nice way. I like it. More friends I'll make this year.
Thank you, Jatin. That brings us to rapid fire round and also brings us to a conclusion that we're not going to give you gifts this time. So we'll start with you, Jatin.
Sure.
Okay, first basic questions before we ask you to rate somebody. And who is your best co-anchor?
Vishnu.
Okay.
That was
I had to answer something else. Shit, I messed up.
Another chance.
I think I'll give it to Piyush because we both make a good pair. He's Hindi speaker, I'm English speaker. That way we look good together.
Did you expect a different question?
I don't know, whatever.
Okay, in terms of professionalism, Suman ma'am, Deepak sir.
Suman ma'am. Any day Suman ma'am.
In terms of personal,
I don't know Suman ma'am personally that much, but I'd give it to her because I'll actually give it to Deepak sir as well. For AIU, both of them actually got really close to me this time.
Yeah.
And but I'll give it to Suman ma'am more because she was there with us in Ludhiana and then in Mysore. So Suman ma'am.
It's a lot of time.
A lot
Mysore
of
was
time.
like.
I'll tell you, Suman ma'am, being the head of DCA, man, she came to us when we were in Mysore and Lucknow when we were sick. At night, she came to us and she supported all the students. She bought fruits for us and food for us, and she waited
Like a
for
mother,
everyone.
yeah.
Yes,
She's-
I'm telling you, that is
I
motivation.
think that's inborn in every teacher, I believe. Every
That is-
teacher has something like
We
that.
felt very touched because
Yeah.
she's the same person who scolds us a lot to perform. But then, yes, Suman ma'am, of course, personal.
And before I ask you to rate somebody, we'll do your ratings together. I want to ask questions to her now.
Okay.
And first question would be, who's your biggest contender? Who do you think is the strongest competitor you have in this college?
I think I would say Alice. Her name is Tanushri.
Alice Tanushri.
Yeah, Alice Tanushri.
Okay, and best choreographer, Sham Khan or Ruby Gill?
Ruby Gill, way too much professional than Sham Khan.
And same question to you, Deepak sir, Suman ma'am.
I would say, I
Tough
never had that. Yeah, it's a tough one, but because I don't have direct contact with Suman ma'am, I would say Deepak sir.
You've also anchored with people, right? You've
Yes.
also anchored a lot, so you're multi-talented. And
Yeah.
who's the best co-anchor you had?
I already told, I think Shobit Tripathi.
The best co-anchor you had?
Another, I worked with. The one I worked with.
Mm-hmm.
I want to work with this
Jatin sir.
Jatin Saini, the one and only.
Oh, you guys have not worked together?
No.
No. But then if you
Only
want to,
at parties is
Only at parties, yeah.
College would love to have you guys. So Jatin,
Yes.
now we're going to start rating people. We'll start with Piyush.
9,
Okay. Vishnu.
7,
7. Subhashini.
6,
Alice.
6,
And Shobit Tripathi.
6.
6. That's nice.
6 or I'll give him a 7.
Okay. Simran. Rating again. Sham Khan.
4.
Oh, ouch. Ruby Gill.
7.
7. Martina.
7 again.
Again, Shobit Tripathi.
6.
And Jatin.
10. It doesn't count. Yeah,
Is
10.
that because he's in front of you? Or?
No, because he's my best friend and I
You-
share everything.
you can-
No matter
sorry.
what bad he does. it's
As
always
about
good.
7, I'll give it a 20.
So Simran, what are the 3 things you think nobody knows about Jatin?
About Jatin?
Yeah.
Okay, very good question. Number 1, he is. I don't know. I mean, he is very calm at times. Like, you know, he's not
Yeah.
this energetic all day long. But then there are times in his life when he's really low. He gives me a call at that moment. Then, big time foodie. Oh my God, he can die for food. He eats like
Both
this.
of
I
us
still
actually.
remember. Yeah,
Actually, both of us actually.
I remember my birthday party, and he was eating cake like a monster or something.
And you know, I was forcing her to have cake, but then she wanted us to dance.
I
That's
just
a
had
birthday
this,
party, that's
yeah.
what it
I
was
was the
dancing,
only person
and he was
who
having
like-
these 2 big pieces
But-
in his
but-
hand, like this. He was
But
having.
I was the only person that had food. I left dinner just to dance
have
with
a
you.
cake.
And only we two were dancing for like an hour.
Or in her own birthday party.
Yes,
Yeah,
so
because everyone was so hungry.
I was forcing everyone to just blow balloons and all that because I was so excited about my birthday.
It was fun.
And Jatin, same question to you. So Jatin, what are the 3 things that nobody knows about Simran?
Well, I think people do know that she loves to get clicked because she's a model. But they don't know that when she gets comfortable into a company and she has her own time with them, then she likes to click them, click herself, click all of them together, perhaps selfies and whatever we take. So she's quite of a party person. And second thing would be she has OCD. She cannot
You
share her
do.
clothes. Well, that's there, but
Like
she
similar
cannot
thing.
share her clothes. Ask her roommates, you'll know. And third thing would be that she'll take a bullet for me.
That's really sweet. So we're going to close off with this. Thank you so much, Jatin. Thank you so much, Simran, for having us.
Pleasure being here.
We're going to sign that board.
Oh, sure.
If you don't mind.
Sure.